Hi guys, in this video we will calculate the volume of this storage tank. As you can see, we have the one storage tank and we need to know what is the volume of this tank. So let's get started. To create a one volume file, first we see the inside dimensions of the tank. Width we have 1 meter and the length inside to we have 2 meter and the height from inside to inside we have 997 millimeter. So what we do, first we create a one file. We can say it's a volume file. Draw one rectangular as per inner tank dimension. The length we have 2 meter, width we have 1 meter, and the height we have 997. We will say it's volume. Volume. All right. So as you can see, we have some internal stuff, components like baffle plate and the stiffeners and so on. And the one drop pipe and one supporting bracket inside. So we want to extract this all components to get the 100% correct volume. Okay. So insert the component which we have saved the one volume file. Mate the faces. Base to base. And width. Okay. We made this tank front plane, front, width with the sides. So we have placed our volume file inside successfully. So first we see the volume. How much is the volume of this tank? Evaluate mass property. Right now we have the volume. Right, let's change the unit. Liter. So we have 1994 liters. But the components which we have like stiffeners and the baffle plate draw pipe is not excluded. It is not exclude from it. It's the all tank weight. Just so in this case, what we do here, just open the assembly and added the part in assembly mode. Added part here. All right. So you will see something like that. First, we just change the transparency to see the all other parts. All right. So we are in the edit mode and search here cavity. Cavity. Okay. It will take you directly to the editing mode with the cavity. So here we will select the all component which we need to make subtract from the volume. So first we select stiffener, this stiffener, this one, and all the components which we want to exclude or extract. Okay, this is we will select from here. Try to select from the edge. Sometime it is not selecting. All right. So our stiffeners have been selected. So now we select the baffle plate, this pipe bracket, and also this pipe. Okay, so now it's selected. So all components selected. So just hit OK. Exit the component, editing mode, save file. Now let's open this file. So you can see this is a successfully all components extracted. So now we see the volume. Mass property. Okay, so you can see now this is 100% correct volume, 1986 liter. Before it was 1997, something like that. If I go back to the one step, now see it's 1994 volume, which is not correct. This is the correct 100% correct volume. The next tutorial, I will show you how to make the volume file increment by 1 millimeter by 1 millimeter to make some strapping chart or dipsticks. It is very useful. You will get the all Excel files with the 1 millimeter increments from 0 to 1 millimeter. It's up to you. You can take 5 millimeter, 10 millimeter increments or 1 millimeter. Thank you guys very much.